Hi everyone, I'm Vira. In this video, I want to show you how to take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A55. In this video, I will share 3 methods to take a screenshot. Method 1. Take a screenshot with assistant menu. First, open your settings menu, then go to accessibility. Tap on interaction and dexterity. Finally, enable the assistant menu. Tap on this. Click allow. Yep, assistant menu has been enabled. Now to take screenshot, click the assistant menu. Next, we click the screenshots icon like this. Yep, successfully to take a screenshots. Okay, method 2. Take a screenshot with key combination. Okay, press and release the volume down button and the side key power at the same time, like this. Yep, once again, the volume down button and the side key power together like this. Yep, successfully to take a screenshots. Okay, method 3. Take a long screenshots. First thing, you have to make sure is the screen on your phone must to be able to scroll up and down like this Google page. Okay, next we take a normal screenshots like this. Next, click this icon. Click again. Click again. If you have done, you click back. Yep, successfully to take a long screenshot. Okay, you can see the result on your gallery. Yep, this is the long screenshot and this is a normal screenshot. So this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.